From the Kirchhoff law, the current I flow from here by the rules of I I R I R plus L di by dt di by dt L di by dt plus 1 by C 1 by C 1 by charge is here, so 1 by C 1 by C Q equals to the voltage source is here, the voltage source E. This is the Kirchhoff law. So where I is the current flow, where he is given charge, so I equals to dq by dt. So the differential equation becomes I di by dt equal to second derivative d squared q by dt squared. So this is second derivative of q, d squared q by dt squared L is here plus I means dq by dt, r dq by dt plus 1 by c q is the charge is here, q equals to E. So dividing both sides by L, or d squared q by dt squared plus r by L dq by dt plus 1 by LC divided by L, q equals to E by L. But here we are given that the resistance R equals to 80 ohms, the R and L inductance equals to 20 Henry, and see the charge is equal to 0.01, 0.0 as a coefficient, 0.01, voltage equal to 100. These are the given. So we write here R by L, R equal to 80 by L, 80 by 20 equals to d square q by dt square d square q by dt square plus R by L equal to 4 dq by dt plus 1 by LC L equal to 20 into C equal to 0.01, 0.01 so 20 into 0.01, 1 by 20 into 0.01 equals to 5. High Q equal to E by L, E equal to 100 by L equals to also 5. So this is the second order differential equations in terms of Q, the charge Q. So here we have to find the charge Q and the current I. So current I equals to the charge dq by dt, the rate of change of charge with respect to time t, that is current I. So this is second order differential equations. To solve this differential equation, first we write its auxiliary equation. Its auxiliary equation is written as in terms of d. So first we write the differential equation in the form of d, the capital D square, where this capital D is denoted by d by dt, 4d plus 5 q equal to 5, where this capital D is denoted by d by dt. Capital D is d by dt. So this is the second order differential equation with constant coefficient. The 4, 5 are constant, 1 is constant. So to find its solution, first we find its auxiliary equation. The auxiliary equation is obtained by replacing d by m square plus 4m plus 5 equals to 0. This is the auxiliary equation. So we have to find if the value of m equals to minus b 4 plus minus b square means 16 4ac 20 divided by 2a 2a divided by 2. This equals to minus 4 plus minus 4i plus minus 4 2i divided by 2. So there m equals to the value of m equals to minus 2 plus minus I. So that is CF complementary functions. CF is CF. CF is the complementary functions. The CF equals to e to the power minus 2t minus 2t minus 2t. A is the constant, a cos t plus b sin t. This is the complementary function. That is complementary function is the solution of, in the right hand side, if voltage source is 0, this is the solution. And then pi, the particular integral is pi. Pi equals to 1 by d square plus 4d, d square plus 4d plus 5 in the right hand side there is term only 5. So this 5 can be written as in terms of exponential function 5 e to the power 0t. So 1 by d square plus 4d plus 5. So put here d equals to 0. D equals to 0, we get 5 by 5 equal to 1. So pi is 1. And its general solution, which is charge q, q is depend on t, and its value is CF plus pi. The CF is the solution of this e to the power minus 2t, a cos t plus b sin t. This is CF, and pi. The pi is plus 1. This is the pi. In the case, initially the charge is 0 when t equals to 0. So initial time t equals to 0, this t equals to 0, then the charge q is also 0. So when t equals to 0, at t equals to 0, and q equals to 0. Initially at time t equals to 0, the charge is also 0. From this condition we find the value of a and b. Q equal to 0, put q equal to 0, e to the power 0 1 cos 0 1, a plus sin 0 0 plus 1. So that therefore the general constant a equals to minus 1. A equals to minus 1. This is the general constant, the value of A minus 1. On the other side, the current is also, initial current is also 0 at time t. So we find I. I is current. I is the dq by dt. So differentiate the charge with respect to t. Differentiate this equation. I equals to dq by dt. dq by dt. This is I. So the derivative of charge q is t. First we use the product rule here. E to the power minus 2t. First e to the power, right, e to the power minus 2t. The derivative of this function with respect to t is minus a sin t plus b cos t plus b cos t. The derivative plus minus 2 e to the power minus 2t A cos t, A cos t plus B sin t. This is the product rule for derivatives e to the power minus 2t and A cos t plus B sin t. But the derivative of 1 is 0. So using the also initial condition that initially the time 0, when time 0 initially the time 0, the value of current is also 0. There is no current flow. I equals to 0. Initially there is no current flow. So I equal to 0, we put I equals to 0 and t equals to 0, e to the power 0, 1 minus sine 0, 0 plus b cos 0, 1, 1 minus 2 e to the power 0, 1 cos 0, 1, 2a plus sine 0, 0. This is the value of a and b. Here b minus 2a. B minus 2a equals to 0. Therefore, b equals to 2a. B equals to 2a. But we found that a equals to minus 1. So that b equal to also minus and then 2. Therefore, b equal to minus 2 and a equals to minus 1. Then if we find the current IT here, IT equal dq by dt, and so the qt, q is the charge at time t equals to e to the power minus 2t, a equals to minus cos t, a equals to minus cos t, a equals to minus cos t, equal to also minus 2 sin t, sin t plus 1, This is charge qt. And we also find I is current. The current is the derivative of charge, dq by dt. The dq by dt, its value is the current charge. First, we use the product rule, minus 2t first, right? And its derivative is, the derivative of cos t is minus plus sin t. But the derivative of sin t is cos t, minus 2 cos t. We use the product rule. So the derivative of e to the power minus 2t is minus 2 e to the power minus 2t. And we write here the minus cos t minus 2 sin t, and the derivative of 1 is 0. So this is the current. So adding sin t and minus plus 2 sin t, 3, and minus 2 cos t here, and e to the power taking the common, e to the power 2t, e to the power minus 2t taking common here, sin t is the here minus 2 cos t, minus plus 2 cos t, minus plus 2 to the 4 sin t, minus plus 4 sin t. Therefore, the current I equals to e to the power minus 2t, e to the power minus 2t, and sine cosine t and sin t equals to 5 sin t. This is the current which is in time t. In the figure, we see that the current flow from initial to the current is highest point is 0.5 to 5.3. This is the highest current, and then at time t increases, the current flow is decreases and at 3 seconds, time equal 3 seconds, the current flow constant.